Good morning, students. We are doing chapter number 5 of your book. Today we will discuss about the Euclid 5 postulates. So Euclid have given 5 postulates related to the geometrical terms. We have to understand this. So first postulate is a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. सिंपल सा चीज़ है. A straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. Suppose that this one is one point and this one is second point, then a straight line drawn can be from one point to another point. Okay. If these are the 2 points there, then a straight line surely join these 2 points. Okay. Or we can take one line and suppose that there is a point and there is another point, then these two points surely be missed by the straight line. Okay, here is one example is given. So in this example, what we have given, two distinct points, there is a unique line that passes through them. Suppose that now you have only 2 points. Okay, you have 2 points, then how many line that can passes from these 2 points? Suppose I taken this one line, then thereafter I try to taking second line, then it intersect with this first point, but it does not intersecting this point. Now again from this point we are taking one line, so this is intersecting this point, but not this time that again. So what we can say that from any 2 points, suppose that there is a point P and there is a point Q, and from these 2 points only one line may be passes through. Okay, only one line can be passed from these 2 points, so this line is unique. Okay, now there is the postulate second. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. That means suppose that we have 2 points and there is one line. We have 2 points and there is one line, and then suppose this and these are the 2 points and we have one line. So this is terminated line, na? That means this it have end point, suppose that A and B, but we can start us moving. Then from these 2 points we can produce, then it can produce indefinitely. That means it can be go till the infinite. Okay, if we produced from both the side, that then only. Okay, now third postulate of Euclid is a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Suppose that we have one center and one radius of any length, that means we can draw a circle with this radius. If we have a smaller radius, then we can draw a smaller circle. If we have a large radius, then we can draw a large circle. We can take the help of compass in this, but a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. That means किसी भी रेडियस का और किसी भी सेंटर से हम सर्कल बना सकते हैं. Okay, now postulate number 4. All right angles are equal to the one another. Yes, it is very easy, because every right angle is of 90 degree. That means suppose this one is 90 degree and there is one more right angle, this is also of 90 degree. So both these angles are equal, always equal ना. 90 डिग्री मतलब 90 डिग्री होता है, वो राइट एंगल है, वो इक्वल होगा ही. ओके, दैट मीन ऑल द राइट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. This is the fourth postulate. Now fifth postulate, which is most important postulate of Euclid and most useful postulate it is. So we have to understand this. read first. If a straight line falling on two straight lines make the interior angle on the same side of it taken together less than two right angle, then the two straight line, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of angle is less than two right angle. So first I am showing a diagram to define this postulate. Then thereafter I will explain this. Now watch carefully the diagram. Here is the diagram. Now suppose that two lines are there. First line is AB and second one is CD. There is two line AB and CD is there. And what the postulate says that, now see carefully, if two lines drawn and one another line intersecting it, okay, one another line if intersecting it, then there will be two interior angles. This one angle 1 and angle 2 is the two interior angles, and if we take some other interior angle, then there will be the interior angle 3 and there will be interior angle 4. Okay, so we have to check the sum of angle 1 and angle 2, or the angle 3 or angle 4. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 and angle 3 plus angle 4, which one is less than 180? Which one is less than 180? That means two right angles, that means 180 degree, because one right angle equal to 90 degree, so two right angles are equal to 180 degree. So if angle 1 plus 1, this angle 1 and angle 2, or this angle and this angle, which of the two pair of angles sum is less than 180 degree, then this side, if this side's angles less than 180 degree, then this side they line may intersect each other at surely any point. That means if summation of these two interior angle, that angle 1 and angle 2 is less than 180 degree, angle 1 and angle 2 is less than 180 degree, that means these two lines, that side intersect each other at some point, but that side they will not intersect at any point, because the angles of these two side, interior angles of this two side is greater than 180 degree, because we can clearly see that there is the greater than the 90 degree angle and there is also greater than the 90 degree angle, so they will not intersect each other at any point. That means from if we produce this line B and D direction, that then it will not intersect each other at any point, but if we produce from the side A and C, it will intersect each other at some point surely. Okay, so this one is the Euclid postulate, very interesting and very easy. Now I am going to explain this. If a straight line falling on two straight line, if a straight line, suppose that this one is a straight line and falling on the two straight line, or I can take the diagram like that. If a straight line falling from two straight line, okay, suppose that this line is PQ, this one is AB and this one is CD, then interior angles of the same side take together less than two right angles. That means interior angles of this side if less than two right angles, then the two straight line if produced indefinitely, then इधर के हम जो लाइन है उसको हम इनफाइनाइट तक अगर आगे बढ़ाते हैं, we can take, if we taking in indefinitely, then they will meet each other on some point surely. Okay, and which sides lines intersect each other? Where interior angles are less than 90 degree, that side lines will intersect each other surely at some point. Okay, these are the Euclid's postulates. Now From tomorrow we will start exercise 5.1.